In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create outgoing webhooks in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack to install the Outgoing Webhooks app and enable it for a channel in your workspace. Outgoing Webhooks let Slack send messages from a channel to an external service whenever specific conditions are met, which is useful for triggering automations, logging, or lightweight integrations. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace and that you have permission to install apps. If you're not sure, check with your workspace admin so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening app.slack.com in your browser and confirm you're in the workspace where you want to add the integration. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the More option. Click that to reveal additional tools and options that aren't pinned by default in the main menu. From there, choose Tools, which will take you to Slack's built-in set of utilities. Next, select Apps. This is your gateway to Slack's app directory, where you can search for, install, and manage integrations for your workspace. In the search bar, type Outgoing Webhooks. You should see the Outgoing Webhooks app appear in the results. Go ahead and click it. On the app details page, click Install. If your workspace requires admin approval, you may see a request prompt. Otherwise, you'll move straight into the setup flow. Continue by clicking Add to Slack. This begins the configuration for your workspace specifically. You'll be asked to select a channel, choose the channel where you want the webhook to listen for messages. Picking a dedicated channel is a good idea if you plan to test or limit who can trigger the webhook. After selecting your channel, proceed by clicking Add Outgoing Webhooks Integration. This confirms the installation and links the app to the channel you chose. At this point, Slack takes you to the integration page for your new outgoing webhook. Here, you'll see options and details related to the integration, along with settings you can review later with your team. The key takeaway is that your workspace now has the Outgoing Webhooks integration installed and scoped to the channel you selected, so you're ready for further configuration as needed. That's the full install flow. Open Slack in your browser, go to More, then Tools, then Apps, search for Outgoing Webhooks, install it, add it to Slack, choose a channel, and finalize the integration. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you set it up in your own workspace.